Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here today. Hey folks, today I'm going to make a quick little video for the young mechanics out there, okay? I walked into a local Lowe's home improvement last week, and sitting right there when you walk in the front door was a big old Craftsman toolbox and some other tools, like right when you walk in the door. You couldn't hardly miss it. And they're letting you know that Craftsman is now available at Lowe's Home Improvement, okay? So I thought this was good enough to make a video about in case you guys don't know it. And then this week in my mail, I actually got a flyer from Lowe's advertising some of the products that they already currently have in the store. They have this top and bottom toolbox here for $4.38. That's a good deal. That'd be a great little starter box for a young mechanic. They have some other tool sets here as well. Let me open up this flyer right quick, just to let you guys know. This is all news to me, so hopefully, if you don't know about it, you can go by and check it out. This is the toolbox that they had sitting right in the front door when I walked in. Looks like this box is $618. Yes, for both of them, the combo, the top and the bottom box. That would be an excellent toolbox for a young mechanic to start with. They have some other ones as well. They have them in black, okay? And the guy at the store, I even asked him, he said that this is just rolled out, this past week, and that they're going to start carrying Craftsman tools exclusively, is what he was telling me. So I'm not sure if that means that the Cobalt brand will no longer be there. I'm not real sure. They currently still have Cobalt brand at Lowe's, but like right here, this will be a good little starter set. This is a 309 piece tool set for $199. I mean, you can't hardly beat that. That's going to get you your basic ratchets, extensions, and some chrome sockets. A lot of them are probably going to be 12 point, but at least you'll have a good assortment of sockets there until you can build onto your tool set with some impact sockets. But I mean, this is a great deal. This is great that they're at Lowe's now, because there's definitely a lot more Lowe's home improvement stores out there, especially in my area, than there are Sears stores, okay? So this is great news, guys. Definitely want to go by and check that out, especially if you're a young up-and-coming mechanic trying to put your tool set together for a affordable price. You definitely want to go by Lowe's and check this out. Have a great day, guys, and we'll see you next time. Take care.